Let's take a trip out to the food forest and see how it weathered the winter. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old way. Canning. Homesteading. I have a whole playlist just on foraging. And expect more gardening videos as I do a lot more with the food forest and the regular garden this year. I picked up 3 things today at a plant swap with a friend, and I got these 3 cherries. This little apricot was one of the things I picked up, and then not shown here in this video is some potato onions. So my raspberries are doing really good, multiplying. This row right here is black and then yellow. And then over here, I've got some violets that are starting to spread out. Coming this way. Isn't that pretty? Those are my mom's tulips. And over there, I've got some other things planted. I got some irises down there and some lilies on the end. And a tree there. I don't know if my mulberry made it or not. Oh, it did. See the green right there? See the green? It did make it. There's my mulberry, marked with an iris. See my strawberries, my wild ones? They're here. All right, let's walk out here, see if the blackberries made it. Oh. One of the strawberries is starting to blossom down there. Nice. Oh yes, my blackberries definitely have made it. There's one. That's the end. There's 2. 3. That one's doing really well. 4. 5. Looks like I lost one. 6. 7. 8. 9 blackberries. Nice. All right, let's go over here. Oh, see my thyme is coming back. Look at it. It is coming back. Nice. My bottle tree. Oh. And then I got, over here. And here are my little nut trees, so let's be careful where I step. But over here, look at that. My mom's flowers came back up again. Isn't that beautiful? I love all her spring flowers that she came across. There's some more of my irises. Coming over here, more irises. This is the area I call Grandma's Garden. And you can see that it is all planted and lined with stones there. It needs to be weeded, of course. Haven't been out here all year. More of Mom's flowers and her hook. And if you look back here, over here, I have a pear tree right here. Beautiful. And here is another of my fruit trees growing up along the fence line for the chicken coop. And there is a mulberry tree that is now bigger than me. And it is doing really good. Oh, the roses over here. Rusty, I know you don't watch this, but thank you for the rose bush. Looky there. She's doing good. She came back this year. So I planted that last year. It is a climber. I'm going to put an arch here up over to the chicken coop. All right, let's walk back here. Here are all the buckets that were given to me. I don't have them all planted yet. We've got some things in this one. This pawpaw tree definitely is gone now. Oh, or maybe it's over here. Maybe it's over here, but I haven't seen any life in this one. That's the rhubarb. I started rhubarb from seed. There is my rhubarb from seed. All right, let me go over here. Look at my wild strawberries. Aren't they beautiful? Such a beautiful flower. All carpeting out here. Here is my sand cherry. And look at that. There's my sand cherry. Yes. Putting this up helped. Let me go see if I can find my pawpaw. Something's been eating my pawpaw. Probably the rabbit I just scared up. Oh no. No. Oh, well, we will start again with the pawpaws. I don't have any luck with pawpaws. Go figure. Broke it. Broke it right off sometime this winter, didn't they? Oh, well, so much for putting stuff around it. All right, there's the big asparagus that's in the woods. And everybody's getting asparagus around here, posting tantalizing pictures. And it is too early for me. Oh well. And here we are, more rhubarb. Beautiful. And this is Bree's grandma's blackberry. It is coming up and doing good too. And my Egyptian walking onions. Yay! These were the onions I planted from seed last year and didn't get out here to harvest. I thought they were dead, but apparently not. Awesome. So cool. And my lemon balm is coming back. Nice.
The kids made these for me, and I absolutely love these birdhouses.
Hi, buddy. What you doing in the yard? Trying to sun yourself? I am very sorry. Didn't mean to disturb you. I just need to get a few things out here from the garden and I will be moving on.
Be sure to like my video and make sure you're subscribed so I know what kind of content to make more of. Thank you, Rebel Canners. Have a great weekend.